Crinkle cookies, 1 package of strawberry cake mix, 2 eggs, and a 1/2 cup of oil. Recipe is in the description below. It's also in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 2. You can see we've got, oh my goodness, I've got like 20, we got 3 pages of variations on the cake mix cookies. All cake mix and your eggs and your oil mixed in so there's no dry batter. Then, super easy, all we're gonna do is we're just gonna roll little balls like this, then roll them in powdered sugar and put them on our baking sheet. Now we're gonna throw these in the oven and bake them. Okay, I have strawberry cookies, yum. Okay, so we're gonna let these cool for just a minute on the cookie sheet, and then we'll taste test. Okay, there are the cookies, yum. I guess, does Jack want to taste test or do you want to wait for Dad? Strawberry cookies.
Taste test.
You want to taste test a strawberry cookie? I won't make you be on camera. They're warm. Okay, let's see what. Do you want to be on camera or no?
Oh,
You don't have to.
took a bite.
That's fine.
Oh,
Is it
nice and warm.
Is it a thumbs up? Strawberry.
Yeah, those are really good.
There you go. Just for Valentine's Day, strawberry cookies. Okay, now they're gone.